everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the Not Too Shabby Tutti Frutti Hop and Giveaway. Don't forget to watch this video to the end, and then go to the next location. You can find it by using the hashtag N2STuttiFrutti or N2SSTuttiFrutti for Not Too Shabby Shop Tutti Frutti. Don't forget to leave a comment on each channel and then head over to Rafflecopter to enter. More information will be in the description box. But anyhow, I have received the Not Too Shabby Tutti Frutti Box of the Month, and there are some fabulous things in here. You will probably have seen some of the other things in the collection. But I used the paper pad Lemon Brightness as well as the die cut ephemera pieces to make these spanner cards. So a spanner card is a card that's got two panels on the end that are attached with something in the middle. So you can see it here. The panels on the end are 1 1/4 inches if you want to recreate this yourself. It's pretty simple. You just cut it up to the score line at the center of the card. And then that leaves you with really 3 layers. So you have the 2 small layers on the ends, and again, they're connected in the middle. And then you've got the other middle panel, and then you lift that up and you get the card. So you lift that up and there is room on the bottom to put a card. So I've used that card design to make a couple of different cards. So this one is When Life Gives You Lemons, and you see I have the beautiful yellow and blue lemons with the leaves on the outside panels. I used one of the ephemera pieces in the center, and then this stamp, When Life Gives You Lemons, is from the stamp set, and I did pop up one of the lemon slices, and then that will open up, and then you can see another piece of ephemera. And I used the blue glitter looking paper. It's not really glitter, but it looks like glitter. And then you open it up and it says Make Lemonade. I stamped in 2 different times that sentiment, When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade, and just used it on the front of the card and then the inside of the card. And so using that design, I made a couple other cards, again, with that same design. So love the colors. It's a great stamp set. It doesn't only have lemons. We have some sunflowers here. And so I used that ephemera. I did use a clear acetate piece that I did back on the back with some of that zigzag blue paper. And so there's the butterfly there. And so I added a butterfly to the panel in the center. I added one of the ephemera sunflowers to the inside of the card just to hide a lot of the white that you would have seen without it. And then you open it up, and I just love this composition. And it says Hello Summer. So there is a nice bright summery card. And then here's another one. I loved using this motif. I used a piece of acetate on the whole window just to add a little pizzazz to it. And you see those geometrics on the side. Those were fabulous to work with. So we open that up, and then I have a butterfly on the inside just so you have some continuation, and then added some of the different paper on the inside and the Hello Summer sentiment. So real fun. Just a fun little card to send to somebody. You know, it could be birthday. It could be just thinking of you. And then I chose again the lemons. So here's another acetate on the front of the panel. The acetate I cut down to 4 1/8 by about 5 1/4. You can't see the edges inside because it's covered up with paper. And then here is the When Life Gives You Lemons on that center panel card. Again, loving the graphics, the geometric shape here. And then Make Lemonade, because why not? So bright, cheerful, love the blue and yellow. I did stamp that When Life Gives You Lemons, again, blocking off the Make Lemonade part, stamped that, and then did the reverse, blocked off the When Life Gives You Lemons for the make lemonade part. I did back that make lemonade on a piece of paper just to have it stand out a little bit. And there is another one. And I just had fun making these cards. They were very simple to make. And it was a lot of fun using that Lemon Brightness paper pad from the box of the month from Not Too Shabby. So don't forget, leave a comment here. I'd love if you like and subscribe as well. That always helps my channel out. And go ahead and enter that drawing, and maybe you can be the one to win the $25 gift card. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.